The CAD objects created in As-Built Modeler are organized in the structure tree in the dedicated node called CAD. Within the structure tree, groups can be created under the CAD node. One group is always active as denoted by the small blue circle on the group icon. Newly created CAD geometry will be stored in the active group. Right-click a group and select Active from the context menu to set it to the active state. New objects will now be stored in this group. The structure tree not only allows you to organize your data, but also steers the visibility of your objects. First, from the 3D view, click a CAD object which is then highlighted in green. Right-click the CAD object to get access to the context menu. A different color can be selected, for example, purple. Or change the rendering from transparent to opaque. Notice that an object selected in the 3D view will also be selected in the structure tree, where the same context menu can be accessed. The structure tree also allows multi-selection. Select a collection using the Shift key. Right-click the selection, then set a color for the entire selection, setting all to yellow. The structure tree allows drag and drop operations. For example, create a new group in the tree and call it My Merge Regions. Then select one or more CAD components and drag and drop them into the newly created group. Changing the color or other visibility settings of this group will affect all contained elements of the group. With the structure tree, right-click and select Locate, which will zoom the view to show the selected object. Now hide the point cloud to only visualize the CAD objects. Or change the visual settings of all roof elements by choosing a group color red and change to opaque mode by unchecking transparency. And again, use the Locate functionality to draw closer to an object. With many CAD objects, you can combine different CAD objects into a single component. For instance, this object that represents a beam is a single component but consists of 3 regions. Open the context menu with a right-click and select Explode. This creates a group and individual components for each region. This allows access to these regions individually. Or this can be reversed. Multi-select the items and select to combine them to a single component, which is now a composite again. Visibility settings performed on a group will start with the overall setting of the node. Here, this is transparent. Change this option, then all contained elements will change to opaque, and when performed again, changing all elements back to transparent.